DJI's most recent release, the Osmo Pocket 3, debuted in October 2023 and introduced several noteworthy enhancements, such as a larger 1-inch sensor, a 2-inch display, and new portrait mode filming, all in 4K. Its compact yet feature-rich design has made it a favorite among users. As the excitement builds for the potential release of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, we are eagerly speculating on the possible upgrades that could be inspired by current Pocket users' feedback and new technology trends. Let's discuss more. For on-the-go video shooting, video capabilities are always a hot topic. The Pocket 3 can shoot 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, but competitors like the GoPro Hero 11 Black offer higher frame rates at lower resolutions. Pushing these limits further in the Pocket 4 would appeal to slow-motion enthusiasts and give DJI an edge in the market. Autofocus and tracking improvements are high on the wish list. While the Pocket 3 features ActiveTrack 6.0, some users have reported inconsistencies, especially in challenging lighting conditions. Enhanced autofocus systems, possibly through additional focus points or advanced technologies like phase detection or eye tracking, could significantly improve the user experience. One of the most requested features is weather resistance. The current model isn't ideal for inclement weather, with open ports and an exposed SD card slot. Adding weather resistance would allow users to confidently take their Pocket 4 out in various conditions, expanding its versatility. Improved image quality is another area where users are hoping for advancements. While the Pocket 3's 1-inch sensor was a significant upgrade, some users noted a decrease in detail and sharpness compared to its predecessor. DJI could address this in the Pocket 4 by increasing the resolution, while maintaining or enhancing low-light performance and dynamic range. The Pocket 3's 2-inch rotatable touchscreen was a welcome upgrade, but there's still room for improvement. Users have reported difficulties in bright sunlight or when wearing gloves. Enhancing the screen's size, sharpness, brightness, or responsiveness could address these issues in the Pocket 4. Expanding the accessory ecosystem is another area where DJI could innovate. While the current Creator Combo offers useful add-ons, users are clamoring for more options such as external battery packs, waterproof cases, telephoto lens adapters, or ND filter sets. Some users are calling for more advanced features like waypoints for programmed movements, full 360-degree rotation, currently limited to 270 degrees, and gesture control and voice commands for easier operation. A more robust and rugged design is also on many users' wish lists. While the Pocket 3 is impressive, some find it a bit delicate for everyday adventure vlogging. A sturdier build would instill more confidence in users pushing their gear to the limits. One innovative suggestion involves using the screen as a fill light for dark scenarios, similar to the torch function on some smartwatches. This could be a game changer for low-light vlogging. Perhaps the most intriguing idea is the ability to pair the Pocket 4 with DJI's remote controller with a built-in screen. This would allow for more professional control, with a second shooter able to manage focus, exposure, and gimbal movements remotely. As for release date and pricing, if DJI follows its previous patterns, we might see the Osmo Pocket 4 in late 2026 or early 2027. Given the trend of increasing prices with each new model, we could be looking at around $699 for the standard version and $799 for the Creator Combo. While these features and improvements are speculative, they reflect the desires of the Osmo Pocket community. As technology evolves, DJI has the opportunity to create an even more powerful and versatile tool for content creators. The Osmo Pocket 4, whatever form it takes, is sure to generate excitement in the world of compact, high-quality cameras. What do you think? Share with us in the comment section below. Subscribe for more content like this, and thanks for watching.